would you want if you could have any car as your first car?
An Audi R8.
Audi R8. Unless we put a hitch on it, I don't think it's gonna work with dirt bike. All right, so realistically, it's probably gonna have to be a truck. So lucky for you, we have a truck. Here it is. We got a Ford truck, and you're gonna have to learn how to drive it though. So that's the trick. Problem is, it's pretty long, and it's gonna be a little more difficult to drive and park. So probably have to go do some driving school by me. So let's go do some driving school, okay? We'll go learn how to drive a little bit, get you prepped for your driving test, because we don't want you...
I'm worried about the parallel parking for him. I need to go practice that.
With the truck that's as long as our van. So let's go drive the truck and learn how to do a few things before your driving test. So big unveil. There it is! It's a blue F250. All right, so we got an F250 here. If you could build this thing out, what would you want to do to it?
I'd say I'd throw some method rims on it, some tires.
All right, so let's go test drive this thing since you've never driven it before. Let's try it.
Never crashed it before.
All right, put it in drive. The gas is on the right, and the brakes on the left. Got some rain, so we're gonna have to turn on the wipers. It's on the left. That's the lights. Steady. 10 and 2. Hey! Easy, easy. You're gonna lose control.
Didn't even touch the gas, it just still slid.
So we're gonna head down into town here. Actually, some parking for the big test.
Ready to get over?
Blinker. Look over your shoulder to the blind spot.
Bro, like, what's looking out that window gonna do for you?
Just so you can see your blind spot.
What blind spot?
It's that spot where you're blind. You know?
Whoa!
Oh, guy.
I almost ran into him.
Basically, a U-turn is where you go through this light and you turn left sharp. And you miss like a U. And you turn.
Not like a V?
You could, like, yeah, V-turn it. Keep turning. You're at full lock. You only need to press it once. Oh, easy, easy. All right, proceed into the parking lot. Careful, the road surface is slick due to the precipitation. There's pedestrians. Proceed with caution. Go up.
That's tight.
And then back it into that right here. Nope, and left. That area is
Whoa.
perfect. It's perfect. Back in, keep back in, crank the wheel.
It's cranked, bro.
Crank it the other way. Other way. Oh. That is not how it's done, son. Oh, you done tore up the bushes. Oh, that's gonna cost. That's gonna be expensive.
Let's give it another.
Well, we failed that one. Let's, all right, on to the next one. 3-point turn. We got a 3-point turn. I don't want you to hit a guard. Let's do it, with the shopping carts here. Set up these makeshift cars. Pretend this is 2 Lamborghinis. All right, there's 1.
Boom, hit a car.
This is 2. 2. And you're not even close, 3. Now we're to 4. 5. And a 6. There's 7. Down in the comments below, do you have to park the car?
Well, I'm gonna see tomorrow.
Driving test. Okay?
All right, let me try this one more time.
We need to know.
Say I'm driving normal. This is what I'm gonna do.
Yep. Okay. There's 1. You gotta watch out. You just hit a car. That's 2. There's 3. You're way back and way up. You're not gonna get that much room of car behind you on a tree.
Dude. All right, I'm in.
Where?
I'm in the lines. Bro, you have the carts on the white line.
This could be a 20-minute video, so you know. Pull, no. Pull all the way up, like here. Because you want to pivot on your left rear where you want your left rear to be where you want when you pull in. So I needed to start a little way. You have to way over exaggerate it. Like go up, and now back up from there.
Oh, we got a guy behind us.
Yeah, now it's.
Oh no!
Be careful! Don't hit that car. You're close to it.
We just say for a while until the guy's to reverse.
You're still like too far. But you know what I'm saying? You gotta kind of way exaggerate it.
Perfect.
No.
Dude, this is how I always park, right, Donovan?
Dude, let me show you.
No, bro, I'm done.
No, let me show you, because you gotta learn how to do it. Driver change, like it's like Baja 500 here. So when you pull up, you want to get as far to the right as possible. And then I always go like super exaggerated. Like,
bro, you're gonna hit the car behind us.
And then you crank.
So what? You got room.
See how you want your left rear to be
We're holding on so
where you're
many
driving
cars.
in, dude. You want your left rear where you're pulling in.
Oh, perfect. Dude, that was greasy.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You want your left rear to where you're gonna drive in the parking spot.
Dude, now I gotta get out of here? Bruh. I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah. Yeah, this truck's super long. Easy, easy.
They pulled away. Oh, it's so hot, dude.
I told Haiden to park, and he chooses to park right next to some random dude that's weirding out in a minivan. There's a random lady like trying to hide in the parking lot. It might be a guy, I don't know, in a minivan.
Oh,
and we just keep parking right next to our door. Yeah, block him, block him. Alright. He's gonna move first. Say, I want to go in there. I want to pull in there. And say up. Dude. I could see there was an issue there when you missed the road and you basically drove over that dude's grass.
My front wheels slid. I didn't get enough traction.
Precipitation out with the rain. It's going to be a slicker surface. And as you went off the road onto someone's lawn and proceeded to burn out and accelerate, there was an issue with those stock wheels and tires, and we're going to have to beef this thing up to some aftermarket method wheels and some off-road mudders. Let's send it off to ORW Off-Road Warehouse in Georgia and get it tuned up. That's the plan. So